sakit tayo. That's why expensive. That's why they are expensive. They love the shadow. So body.
Polarium. Yeah, this is called Polarium.
Polarium?
Yeah. That's General Luna. Yeah,
I think it's replica.
A replica?
Yeah, that's a replica.
Oh shit.
Chris, just in case, just let me know if you want to change your room. I think I can call them.
She was myself.
She Anne told me that you prefer the same room. I actually booked you the queen size.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what do you think? It's okay, no?
Huh?
It's okay, no? Or to stay with to stay with the other one.
Huh?
To stay with the other one. That's fine. Hmm?
I just
Father?
Hello. Oh. Hi, Scary.